Hello, Achieve. Happy Wednesday. Today is World Wildlife Day. Every day this week, we're going to be talking about different celebrations that happen on each particular day and tying in the virtues that maybe help us to celebrate that particular day. And so today we're going to be talking about caring as soon as we do our Pledge of Allegiance. So everybody please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So, World Wildlife Day. One of the ways that we can help support the wildlife out there is through showing caring. That's not just helping people, but it's also treating people and things gently and respectfully, things that might even be as big as our whole planet. So World Wildlife Day is a day that's set aside to recognize the wildlife and the forests that are something that are so important to our whole world. So the theme for World Wildlife Day this year is forests and livelihoods. That's how people make their living when they live in a forest. Did you know that almost 300 million people live in or near forests across the world? And so things that we might do have a big impact on those people. And so that's why it's important for us to show caring and to respect things in the world, things in the planet. And so I want to show you an example of what might happen when we're not being caring with our planet. This is a picture of what's called deforestation. They cut down trees in the forest so that they can use the trees for other things like building with. Maybe they use the wood to make paper out of. Maybe they use it to burn in their fires so they can be warm. There's a lot of reasons that we need wood, but when you cut down too many trees in a forest, it takes away crucial habitat for animals and for people. And that has a big impact on our planet. So we have to show more caring when we're making some of these choices. So I want to show you an example of a group of people who did show more caring. This is a little video that is by a group of people called the World Wildlife Fund, and they're working with a group in a place called Bhutan. It's a foreign country that is way high in the mountains at 11,000 feet, and they're trying to save the tigers. So this man took a video of some tigers. So watch.
Wow. I can't believe that. Wow. Nothing except people. No.
And it's very frustrating because it's been almost a month.
Nothing.
And we have nothing. And I'm starting to be really stressed.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Very nice.
يلا مو
Very big.
from the way.
No, very big company. Very big.
So this group of conservationists, the World Wildlife Fund, worked with the government of Bhutan so that they could make these corridors of safety for the tigers so that when they're passing through the forest, they know that they're going to be safe to travel through those passageways. And so that's an example of how showing caring for the tigers and for the forest that they live in can make a big difference for our planet. But it doesn't have to be big things like that. It can be just small things that we do day to day that show caring for our planet. And so I would love for you guys to talk about what things you might do that can show that you care for our planet. So here's the question. What can you do to show caring for our planet? Have a great day, Achieve.